Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special nail tutorial contacted by Hippie Crafter and sent these watercolor pens to review for you guys. There is 25 watercolor pens and one water pen in this professional artist grade watercolor pen set. There's premium quality full spectrum of rich colors, fine and flexible brush tips, water-based and non-toxic. I'm going to link Hippie Crafter in the description box below. Definitely check them out for all of your art supply needs. Here's the back of the box. 25 shades in this. They also offer a 50 count. Here is the card that comes with your box, and that is hippiecrafter.com. Seriously, you guys definitely got to check them out. It's good quality stuff. Here are what the pens look like. Like I said, there's 25 in them, and here you go from brights to even your darker shades, and you get that water pen for blending. Beautiful shades here in these watercolor pens, and I love using watercolors with my nail art, so that's what I'm sharing with you today. These worked very nicely. I love that black packaging and how the pens say Hippie Crafter as well. And I am just doing a very spring butterfly and flower nail art, and I'm going to be using the Uber Chic Woodland Chic number 2 plate for this, as well as some matte top coating and the watercolor pens from Hippie Crafter. This is Believe Beauty's nail polish in Secret Hideaway. It's a nice pastel yellow. I decided instead of doing stark black, I am stamping with a gray today, and it's from Maniology, and it's called Folklore. You can also use regular nail polishes to stamp with as well. To use what you have. I'm just using the skeleton of the butterfly here. It is a layer stamping image, but I'm going to use just the outline of it, I should say. And then I'm using the blow flower as well, the dandelion. So I'm going to remove the excess from the stamper after I pick this up on my stamper and just stamp the dandelion on my fingernail, on my middle finger. On the index finger is where I'm going to be applying the butterfly. So I'm just going to apply my polish, scrape off, roll the stamper, and apply that to my nail. Removing all the excess image and then applying the stamp to my nail. Clean off my plate, and then I'm going to start using, now make sure these nails are matted so the watercolor can pick up or like adhere to the nail. If your nails are not matted, the watercolor will not adhere to your nail. So I'm going to draw some grass strokes using this bright lime green, and I'm going to fill in half of the butterfly with the lime green, and another half I'm going to use a bright teal blue. And this is actually inspired by my own personal, I have a butterfly that is yellow, green, and blue on my shoulder blade, and I love that tattoo, and I wanted to kind of recreate it on my nails, so that's where the inspiration came. This is the water pen, just kind of fill it up with water, and this is used for blending. This nail technique is also known as lead lighting. Place a stamp and you fill it in like this. Watercolors, other shades, jelly polishes, whatever you want, but lead lighting nonetheless. And I'm doing a watercolor and the style of lead lighting for my manicure today. I'm going to also reapply some matte top coat to seal on my design because I want to keep it matte, and I use some cuticle oil, which is already absorbed. My cuticles like awful, but that is the finished nail look. I absolutely love the Hippie Crafter watercolor pens. Definitely check them out. Thank you, Hippie Crafter, for sending me these water pens to try out. And stay tuned for more nail tutorials using the watercolor pens. Check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. And thank you guys so very much for watching.